In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Lords of the Fallen shared progression. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. One of the standout features of Lords of the Fallen is not only the native inclusion of co-op, essentially seamless, but also shared progression. So as you can see here, it offers shared progression co-op. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to set this up. First of all, both of you who are going to be playing, head over into the settings and look for the multiplayer category inside of the settings. Now, what you have to do here is, of course, make sure that online connectivity is enabled and, of course, crossplay if needed. Now, once both of these options are enabled, set up a session password. This is important so that the game can match both of you together and it doesn't match you with other random people. So don't use a generic password like 123. Use something incredibly unique. The longer it is and the more random it is, the better, because no other random people will choose to use the same password as you. So include a bunch of numbers, a bunch of letters, whatever you prefer, and share the same password with your friend. So whoever is going to be hosting and whoever is going to be joining should have this password set up here. With this done, both of you need to make your way into the first vestige. So if you just started a new game, keep playing until you see the first vestige. This is where you will be able to rest, upgrade your character, and warp to other places. On the vestige, one of the things is going to be multiplayer. So all that you have to do is choose this option. If you don't see this, make sure that the online functionalities were enabled or keep playing until you unlock it. So now the host will have to back in a player. This means that they will summon someone into their world, and whoever is going to be joining the host will have to choose this option here, join session, shared progression. So the friend who chooses this option is going to be automatically matched up with the host because, like I said, you set up the unique password and both of you are searching on the same time. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had or helped you solve this problem, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos and solutions to your problems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.